We have got a stunning 1969 Mustang Mach 1. I love the original champagne gold color. You just don't see it that often. This is the color it was born in. This is an M code 351, has a 4-speed power steering, power disc brakes. It was a factory air car and it has some missing components, so that's not complete, but if someone wanted to finish it, you'd have an air-conditioned car. And it's restored to show quality condition. Gentleman we acquired it from says he has $100,000 invested in this car, and there's about 300 miles on it since it's been finished. And in here we got a bunch of receipts and miscellaneous maintenance records. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read everything, look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly payment as well. We also have the Buy It Now button. If you see something you really like, I strongly suggest you hit the button. That just locks it in for you while you're thinking and doing your due diligence. That's all at volocars.com. Now, if you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. What a beautiful car. It's very handsome. I like this car a lot. Well, you've heard me say it a bunch of times. This body style is killer. That fastback 6970 Mustang body style is an all-time favorite of mine. And this was professionally stripped down bare and repainted. We have the original Marti Report, and it shows where the car was sold new. It was built at San Jose. It was sold in Los Angeles to someone that lived in Pomona. So it's a California car. Absolutely straight. Probably better than it was when it left the factory. All of this is just pristine metal. Everything fits beautifully. I mean, there's not a ripple. It's square. It lines up. There's no bubbles, no shrinkage, no cracking. All of this is so nice. The body is outstanding. Beautiful. Clean, clean body. Shuts real nice. No rattles. Smooth, clean. I mean, there's no typical cracks or shrinkage or bubbles. Body's amazing. It's got the sport mirrors. And we might as well talk about the paint at the same time. I haven't seen a flaw. The champagne metallic is laid out evenly. There's no blotchiness. There's no mismatched colors. And it is like glass. They have blocked and sanded and polished this smooth as glass. The hood, all of this is excellent. It lines up square, flush. Really, really nice body. This side's just as good. Little tiny, nope, that wipes off. Not even a chip. Shuts real nice. I always say maybe I missed a flaw, but I didn't see one. This is an outstanding show quality professional paint job. Now the hood, this is painted on, satin, black finish. Race cars had that, so you didn't get reflection off the hood. That's where that started. It's obviously got the hood scoop with the turn signals in the back. We'll check those in a little bit. The windshield's new. The little wing windows are new. The side glass is good original. Has the complete Mach 1 decal kit. I love the red. It gives it some pop. It looks like a reproduction bumper, so it's new chrome. They're not real high-end chrome, but they're fine. It's beautiful. Gas cap's probably new. The emblems look new. Decked out with the spoiler, the window louvers. All this trim was replaced. This top piece has a few little dents in it. Someone must have been aggravated putting this trim on, and they put a few little dents in it. This here is new. Door handles look new. Rocker moldings. All the trim looks new. Windshield's new. It's crystal clear. Got the hood pins look new. Same thing. The front bumper is a reproduction, so it's shiny. It's new. Looks nice. The grille is in excellent shape. No front spoiler, just a back spoiler. Antenna is the correct one. That's new. So these tires and wheels are the correct chrome wheel. There's some scuffs on this trim ring right here, so the rings are easy to change. But these tires are new. They're Reproduction Firestone Wide Oval, but they have the new technology. They're actually radials, but it looks just like the original tire. Even the tread, everything looks like the old bias ply, but those are radial tires. The window seals, weather strips, gaskets, all been replaced. So that's the outside of the car. Let's get inside and check it out. Tell you what, this car just gets nicer and nicer. You're going to really like what you see here inside the trunk. Underneath the trunk, look how nice that's painted. It has all new stickers. Look at the jamb. I mean, that is slick. All the seams and the spot welds. Weather strip is new. Latch is detailed. So the entire inside of the trunk, all clean metal, all painted the champagne color. It does have a matching Mustang chrome wheel. It's an original, but matching wheel for a spare. The jack is in the Mustang bag. There's an insulation pad on top of the new gas tank. The sockets are new. Everything in here is new. The mat, the liner. Beautiful shape in there. This is one of those cars you're going to want to hit to buy it now. I guarantee we'll get a list of backup buyers. Jambs are painted slick as the car too, even up by the hinges, the bottom of the door. Weather strips are replaced and fit nice. Now it's a deluxe interior. The door panels are in really good shape. Couple little marks in them. The interior lights work. The wood grain looks real good. So I'm going to say the door panels are very, very good, but not perfect. This whole instrument panel, the knobs, the vents, everything about it's real nice. This is a new dash pad, not a plastic glue-on cover, but the whole dash pad's replaced. Remember, it's a factory air car, so it does have the vents and it has the controls. So I would assume it wouldn't be that hard to finish that. We have a retro stereo. There's an auxiliary plug hanging out on the other side. Yeah, clean everywhere you look. Interior lights work. Carpets are real nice. Has the pony reproduction mats. The center console's in beautiful shape. You have these cup holders here. Her shifter. The high back seats are nice and firm and beautiful, although that's kind of odd. It's like cracked right here. Upholstery guy can replace just that panel for not a lot of money at all. The seats are excellent, not wrinkled or anything. Here we go. You might notice the seat belt that's in the way. It's a 3-point retractable seat belt for the front passengers, so it is more convenient and safer. Not too hard to climb over to get in the back. New seat belts in the back. Everything's reupholstered. Side panels are excellent. They did put a couple speakers in the side panels. Even the lights back here work. All new headliner, the sail panels, everything fits real nice. New matching visors. Must be a hands-free stereo because there's a little microphone. And then the steering wheel is a rim blow. It's on the rim to honk the horn. That looks like it's a new reproduction. Just very tidy, clean, very nice interior. Just like the rest of the car. So it is an M code, and this is a 351 built motor. We have the receipt. It's board 10 over. All new lifters and cam and bearings, and a Magnaflux the crank. It does have an Edelbrock top end kit, which is aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It does have a dual feed Holley carb with electric choke under the air cleaner. I really like the Ford Racing cast aluminum valve covers. MSD ignition system, the coil, all of it is MSD. Just nice, clean metal. The seams, the spot, well, look how smooth it is. Autolite battery topper, all bolted down properly. Cables are new. That all looks real good. The radiator, the cap, the shroud, the fan, the hose, the clamps, everything's clean and tidy. Again, factory air conditioned car. Here's the compressor. The lines, it does have the lines coming out of the firewall. They're plugged off, so you will need to invest some money if you want the air to work. It is upgraded with the Borgeson power steering. Also has the Ford washer bottle. Up front it does have the horns, and everything's clean and painted and tidy. And then it is power brakes, and that's also new, the booster and the master cylinder. And then check out underneath the hood. It's painted just as shiny as the top side of the hood. It's a show quality motor compartment as far as I'm concerned. Car's got a nice sound, nice sounding idle. Mine, these cars aren't warmed up really when I start them. We just fired it up. Sean's got great oil pressure, and yes, the turn signals on the back of the hood screw do work. I just tried them. Let's go put this car inside where it belongs. So underneath this car just continues to be very impressive. The floors, the frame rails, the rockers, all of it appears to be really clean, dry, rust-free metal. It was prepped and it was painted in the red oxide primer. The front end was recently all rebuilt, the steering and suspension. It also includes the power steering control valve and the RAM. The whole unit was replaced. In back, the springs look like they're replaced. It's hard to tell for sure, but the bolts and hardware all are fresh. The shocks are new. It's got disc brakes in front, drum in back. Pretty certain they're disc. I should double check. Yeah, they're disc. Stainless steel brake lines. The e-brake is hooked up. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust. Has a crossover pipe. Flowmaster mufflers. It's got the factory quad tips coming out through the back valance. Just everything under there is really nice. You look up at the motor, it's fresh Ford blue. The transmission, it used to be an automatic car. They did upgrade it to a 4-speed. It has the tag on it. They did get a 1970 top loader Mustang trans, so it's a correct transmission. New Hearst linkage, that's in there. So all the components under this car look really nice. One of the receipts I found was from just a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. They took it to Mustang of Chicago and spent just over $3,000 on just little service items, just going through the cars, what they did for them. And that was just recently. Now, we also inspect each car. It goes on the lift, goes for a test drive. And it is a new linkage, but we spent a little time adjusting the linkage so it shifts real nice. And we got the reverse lights working. So aside from fixing the air, if you decide to do that, the rest of the car is outstanding. And I'm telling you, the fit and finishes inside and out throughout is really exceptional. This is a really, really nice car. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer whatever questions you have left, including how to get it delivered to your driveway, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.